What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another Diesel Dog video. A little follow-up on the 4L60E transmission overhaul. Finally got it done out here in the garage. Took a few late nights. You can see my pile of caffeine there after a few nights, but got it back together, got it loaded up, and I actually still need to bring it up to the car wash and pressure wash the thing off. Usually I like to do that before assembling, but since I was doing it late at night, I didn't want to fire up my pressure washer or anything. I didn't get a chance to bring it to work and wash it there. I didn't have time, so the inside's clean. I thoroughly cleaned that, but as far as pressure wash and everything else, I'm doing that now before I give it to the guy tomorrow. As you can see, new torque converter. I got it secured there so it doesn't fall out. It's all the way in there. New range selector. That thing got busted up when he was taking it out, so we got a new selector there, and yeah, everything else, got some new clips. I always block everything off. I got these saved off something. These work nice for these cooler line fittings there for various things. If you need to wash something off, you can block those off. Plugged up my dipstick tube hole there as well before I try washing this thing off. You don't obviously don't want to get any water in there, so plug everything off. But yeah, all back together. Not a terrible job doing it in the garage. Got a tool here for the Teflon rings. Makeshift tool here I use for getting those spring pistons released and whatnot. And yeah, got her back together. Not too bad. Obviously, still need to get it installed and verify that everything works. I took my time on this thing, took a while. So tried to be as meticulous as I could. Changed all seals. Here's my pile of parts right there. You know, all the seals and frictions and discs and all that. And new check balls in the valve body. I realized I didn't put the camera on for everything just because I was kind of on autopilot, wanted to get this thing back together. I was kind of paying attention to this more than setting up the camera and stuff, so some stuff I missed, but like I said, there are some very detailed videos on YouTube, and I actually had to revert to a couple of them just to make sure I was doing everything right and just to refresh, because it's been, you know, for sure over 8 years since I've done one of these. So, but this feels good. Having it all sitting here all together, ready to go, that feels good. So yeah, I thought I'd just give you guys a little bit of update. I told you guys I'd give you a follow-up. Probably have to do another follow-up on whether or not it actually is verified working in the vehicle when it goes in. So I will let you know for sure, one way or another. If everything goes right, good. If not, we'll have to cross that bridge when we get there, but I don't foresee any issues. This thing went back together pretty easy. So new oil pump, new oil pump, rebuild kit, torque converter, all new seals. I mean, pretty basic. Should be all right. So that's gonna do it for me. I'm gonna load this thing up so I don't have to do it in the morning, wash it off tonight so I don't have to do it in the morning, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So see you guys in the next video.